Learning to code can feel a little bit like an endless forest. There's lots of great tutorials and resources everywhere, but no direction. That's where this website, Roadmap.sh, changes everything. It gives you a clear roadmap. Let's say we wanted to be an AI engineer. It gives you a clear visual map of what to learn in what order for every major development path. Roadmaps.sh is an open source learning guide designed to answer one question: what skills do I actually need to become a developer? You can see there's tons of role-based roadmaps as well as skill-based role maps. And what actually caught my eye is they've recently added a Swift and SwiftUI section. So let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration. So I'm going to click on the SwiftUI section, and we can see that we even have related roadmaps for iOS, Android, Kotlin, React Native, and even Flutter. And then we have this beautiful flowchart, and it's all interactive. We can click on any of these elements, and we can see that we get a quick little blurb about introduction, as well as free resources that link out. So as you go through, you can actually follow the flowchart piece by piece to support your learning needs, whether that's following along with tutorials or using the blurbs on the right side. These are a little bit basic, so I'd either check out the resources, YouTube videos, or even websites like DevHints or DevSheets. And what's cool is if you actually sign up, you can track your progress on any of these things by doing done, in progress, or skipping things that you might not necessarily need. But we can see this flowchart is absolutely amazing. It has been organized. We have things like error handling with throwing, catching, propagating. We can go down to protocols. We go to SwiftUI after we've learned the Swift basics, right? And we get animations. There is so many amazing parts of these resources that you can use this as an amazing guide to track your learning journey. And typically at the end, there's even a go beyond section. This is also a website that is constantly maintained. You can see September 22nd, they added a few more things, July, June. Right? As I said, this one only really caught my eye when I noticed that the Swift and SwiftUI were there. So whether you're starting from zero or pivoting careers, Roadmap.sh covers everything: front-end, back-end, DevOps, AI, data science, mobile, cybersecurity. There's so much. Even those niche roles like QA or developer relations, you can see here, there is just so much great information. What is developer relations, right? Some key concepts you might not need to know, and blog posts, storytelling. There's so much great information here. What I think makes it really powerful is it's not just a list, it's a sequence that prevents any wasted time. You're only going to be covering concepts that are actually important for that role. Just some general tips: don't try to learn 20 tools at once. Follow one line until it breaks and then branch out. Also, set small goals. 1 node per day is better than I'll finish all of front end over here in a weekend. In 2025, the best developers aren't the ones who know the most tools, they're the ones who can adapt fast. And they're also the ones who know the relevant information. You don't want to be looking at a guide from 2010 that's already been outdated. I think we all know that tech can move pretty quickly. So Roadmap.sh helps you learn and stay up to date. And remember, it's not about memorizing, it's about understanding how the ecosystem fits together. So I'll put the link to this in the description below. If you're interested in any of these roadmaps, definitely give this website a look through and see if you can follow along to make your learning journey amazing. So whether your goal is your first job, freelance career, or even launching your first app, your roadmap starts here. I just want to make a quick video on it because I think this is one of the best free developer resources on the internet for developers looking to learn. So bookmark it, share it, revisit it often, and track your learning journey. So dream big, code bigger, and we'll see you in the next one.